Hello, my dear students. Myself, Acharya Yogeshwar, with you in the classes of biology for class 9. And now this is the time to study about the tissue. And in this chapter, we are studying about complex permanent tissue. We have learned about xylem, and now we have to learn about phloem. What is phloem? Phloem is a complex permanent tissue and it is responsible for the transportation of food. So we can say the complex permanent tissue which conducts food is called phloem. As it is a complex permanent tissue, it means there are different shapes of cells here and they have different functions. So it is made up of different types of cells. Generally, when we study in the book, we shall get the term element. There are different elements of phloem. What are the elements of phloem? What is meant by the element of phloem? So, the cells which constitute the phloem are called elements. There are 4 elements of phloem. What are the different elements of phloem? There are 4 different elements of phloem: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers, and phloem parenchyma. Sieve tubes are the special type of non-lignified sclerenchyma containing thin layer of cytoplasm. These are tubular and perforated walled. Actually, when we have studied about the sclerenchyma, we studied that these are lignified. These have lignified cell wall. But it is a special type of sclerenchyma whose cell wall is not lignified. So it is written here non-lignified sclerenchyma. We have studied as sclerenchyma are dead cells because they have no cytoplasm. But here in this case there is a little cytoplasm just in the boundary as a layer, as a thin layer. So sieve tubes are living cells. These are tubular in structure and these are perforated, as you might have seen the pipe where net is bounded. So we can say that such holes are found. These are sieves. Sieve means pores. Sieve means net. So this is a net-like cell, perforated. The second element is companion cells. These are also tubular, but these are narrow, and these are a special type of parenchyma. But these have no perforation, they have no such holes. So these are thin cell walled but not perforated. Third one is phloem fibers. These are non-living cells. These are thick walled and these are elongated cells. That means these are tough, these are rigid, so these provide mechanical support to the phloem. And the last one is phloem parenchyma. As these are parenchyma, these are thin-walled and these are living cells, and these help in the storage of food materials, and these help in slow conduction of food material in the sides. So, in case of phloem vessel, in the phloem, which is a complex permanent tissue, the among the four elements, three are living cells: sieve tubes, companion cells, and phloem parenchyma. These are living cells, while only phloem fibers are non-living. As you have studied, in case of xylem, only xylem parenchyma is living and other three are dead cells, non-living cells. So now you have to write down the answer of the following questions. Now write down the answers to these questions. What are the differences between xylem and phloem? Which component of xylem is responsible for transport of minerals? Which is the only constituent of xylem that is living? And which is the only element of phloem that is non-living? Now in the next class we shall study about some special plant cells, special plant tissues.